Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights, luggage rack. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.